So we are working on Newton's second law, and I just pushed a chair, so this is a force diagram for the chair. The chair is 3.6 kilograms, and the force of gravity on the chair is by the earth, the force normal on the chair is by the ground, the force of friction on the chair is by the ground too, and the force normal on the chair is by me pushing it. And we already know the force of friction is 28. So we go over to our force equation over here, which is force normal minus force of friction is equal to mass times acceleration. Force normal minus 28, because we already know the force of friction is 28, we go 3.6 times acceleration, and mass is 3.6. So we don't know acceleration, so we have to go to our kinematics, and we know that velocity initial is equal to 0 meters per second, and we know that velocity final is 6 meters per second. We don't know acceleration, but we know that change in position is equal to 2 meters. So then we figured that this would be the best kinematics equation. Vf squared is equal to Vi squared plus 2a times change in position. And we know Vi is 0, so that Vi squared is equal to 0 squared. We know Vf is equal to 6, so 6 squared is equal to 36. And then that leaves us with 2 times acceleration times change in position. And we know that change in position is 2, so it would be 2 times acceleration times 2, which becomes 4a. So we subtract 0 over 36, and that becomes 36 still. And then we divide 36 divided by 4, which becomes a equals 9. So we now know that acceleration is equal to 9. And now that we know this, we can now say that Fn minus 28 is equal to 3.6 times 9. And once we multiply 3.6 and 9, we get 32.4. And to get the final force normal, we subtract 32.4 minus 28, plus we actually add 32.4 plus 28, which is 60.4 newtons. And that's how we solved the amount of force I put on the chair. But we can also change this by changing the acceleration, which would add the force. So if I increased the acceleration to 10, it would become 36 newtons, and 36 plus 28 is 64. So if we change the acceleration, it becomes 64 newtons. Thank you. Have a great day.